Hello people, welcome you all to another episode of Sindhu Simple Cooking. Today I bring to you a very simple and easy recipe which can be made only with 2 ingredients. It's a kids friendly recipe. During this lockdown period, having kids at home throughout the day, I know it's a very challenging task for mothers. They keep coming around every now and then asking for something to munch. So today I bring to you a very easy recipe, bread popcorn. So let's dive in and start making this recipe.
To make this recipe, heat a pan and add 4 slices of bread cut into cubes. I haven't cut the edges off. You can retain it, it's not going to change the taste of the popcorn. I've used multigrain brown bread today on a healthy note. If you don't prefer brown bread, use white bread as you please. Fry this on medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes until the bread slices turn light brown and crispy. After about 5 minutes, you will hear the crispy sound of the breads on your pan. Then you know that they are ready to be transferred to another plate. To the same pan, add about 4 tablespoons of sugar. Today I am using brown sugar, on a healthy choice again. You can choose to use white sugar too if you like. And add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Do not mix it after adding the water. We want the sugar to caramelize. Let it boil and caramelize for about 2 minutes. After the sugar starts to caramelize, I am adding 2 more tablespoons of water and mix this thoroughly. You can see the nice caramelized color of the sugar. And it's now time to add the bread pieces. Mix this well, making sure that the caramel mixture coats well on all the bread pieces. Transfer this to a plate and allow this to cool down. Once this cools down, the bread popcorn is going to taste amazingly crispy.
Me, having a sweet tooth, thoroughly enjoyed making this bread popcorn recipe, and I highly recommend to drag in your husband and kids into the kitchen to make this recipe. Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sindhu Simple Cooking. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you for watching.